everybody, welcome to the Pocket Studio Sessions, at least temporarily. We've got all of our stuff in storage, well, 2 storage units, at least for the time being until we find a new space. So we're out of the studio for now. This thing wants to pull down below my nose. And we managed to film quite a few episodes of Summer Band Camp before we got out of there, but they're not complete yet. So that's why you're seeing a Studio Maker episode before any more Summer Band Camp. But we are working on them. We have a few more parts to finish up, and we are a little strapped for resources, so it'll take a little bit of time. So I think it's time to rebrand Summer Band Camp Endless Summer Band Camp, because yeah, it's going to take a while longer to get it done. I'd much rather get it done right than really just phone it in and slap something together in a couple hours. So sorry to all of you who have been following along and being patient. Thank you for your patience. This is the worst mask. Anyway, thank you all for your patience while we kind of navigate these, well, different seas, and we'll get it figured out. We got a few places to look at this week, so hopefully we have it squared away and we're back on track right away. Just wanted to give a quick update because, yeah, we got wrapped up in some things for a while and hadn't been putting out Summer Band Camps. Anyway, hope everybody's doing well. I'm going to get a different mask. Take care.